Alright, today I'm going to teach you a nice, quick, simple recipe. A little bit spicy for those who like that kind of stuff. And it'll keep you nice and warm on these cold winter days. It's a spicy pumpkin and corn soup. I made one little mistake in getting ingredients and got some pumpkin pie mix instead of the solid pumpkin I needed. But we're going to try it anyway. So let's get to it. Alright, so this recipe is only like one step long. But it's a nice, tasty recipe. There's going to be something different about this one than I usually make it just because I messed up on buying some ingredients. But you can get all the ingredients and put them all together at once. First I'll do the broth. You want to do usually like maybe one small can of broth, of chicken broth. I'm using a giant can because I'm making more than normal. I already have my pot heating up so I can do this. You're going to put all the... You're going to get a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, or you can just get a can of diced tomatoes and cut your own chilies up and put it in there. It's just quicker and easier. Get a can of black beans. Get it in there. And here's the part where I messed up on buying ingredients. I needed a can of packed solid pumpkin. I ended up getting pumpkin pie mix, but I figured why not? Let's give it a try. See what happens. Maybe I found a new kind of recipe here. Don't mind the bottom of my can. It's got really messed up. So I don't know if it's going to turn out the same, because considering there's like sugar and stuff in this, but we'll find out. And then just some pepper to put a little taste in there. Go ahead and mix that up. Mix it all together. Get it all nice and stir it up here. And then you just gotta wait for it to boil up. Wait for it to boil up and then it's ready to go. So I'll come back to you when mine's all ready. Alright, and the final touch I want to put on this is, while it's boiling, you go ahead and add a can of corn. If you want to use frozen corn instead, I recommend obviously adding it before you start boiling. But the can you want to add while it's boiling, just to get it in there, mix it all up, get that flavor in there. And let it boil a little bit longer, and it's ready to serve. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and bowl this up here. See if I got it good in the camera there. Okay. Hope it wasn't blurry, huh? Focus, camera, come on. Got that nice soup. Look at that. Looks yummy. There you go. Real simple, like one step. All done. And there you go. I told you nice and simple. It's like one step long. I actually tried it with the pumpkin mix and it was not too great by itself, but I added a lot more salt and everything to it and mixed it all up. It actually tastes really good now. So if you do end up using the pumpkin mix, just make sure you add some salt. Maybe you can throw some other stuff like some curry powder in there or something to add a little flavor to it. Other than that, it's pretty good, darn good soup. If you like this and you want to think of some other ideas to add to it or things you would take away from it, please put in the comments down below. While you're down there, go ahead and hit the little subscribe button, the thumbs up, and a little bell doohickey so you know when I post more videos. I try to post every week with food related, mostly recipes, videos, just to try to help out everyone out there. I'll see you around.